Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Teardown in a laptop or PC. Well, to download this game, first of all, you need to have Steam. So go and select Welcome to Steam. Basically, you have to download it. Go to Google, search for Steam, click on this first link here, click on Install Steam, and again click on Install Steam in the middle of your screen. So once you set up your download, you have to open it up. Click on Yes, click on Next, select your language, and select the location which you want to, wherever you want to install. And once you have installed your Steam, it will show like this. The dashboard look like this. You have to log in or make an account to get access of it. On the top right side corner, you have to search for the game which you want to download. So here we want for the Teardown. So we'll search for Teardown. You can see here. Click on it. Once you click on it, it will show the game page. And as you can see here, this is a normal version, this is a deluxe edition, ultimate edition, and this is all the DLC. So select whichever option you want to buy. I want to go for the normal one. I will click on view my card. I just want to buy this game for my account, so I will select my account. Click on continue to payment, right? And here it will take you to the payment section page. Let me show you. And on the top right, you will see, basically on the top, you will see a lot of options through which you can pay for this game. I will pay for the Visa. I will select my Visa. I have to enter all the details as well as my billing information and click on continue. After that, I have successfully purchased this game and it will be shown in my library section. Make sure there's a tick mark beside games. All the games which I have purchased and all the games which I have selected or purchased from the Steam, it will show you on the left side. Now, let's say this is a Teardown. Click on install and install the game and play it. I hope you found this video very useful. Make sure to like this video, subscribe.